GSG presents Whiting Wednesday.
I'm Mark Sudonik, Textile Application Specialist with Graphic Solutions Group. With fall approaching and so is hoodie season, today I want to talk to you about GSG TextWeb Spray Adhesive. It's a fantastic adhesive to hold down these hoodies. One of the easiest ways and most efficient to apply web adhesive to your pallet is a real simple left to right, back and forth motion, just covering the area where your image is going to be on the hoodie. You don't actually need to cover the entire pallet in the adhesive. Don't overshoot over the sides because the web adhesive will hang off of the pallet. And then when you load your sweatshirt, it's going to end up on the outside of the sweatshirt. It's going to go through the dryer and cure, and you're going to have to use a spot remover to get that adhesive off of the sweatshirt. As you can see here, the GSG TextWeb really holds the sweatshirt firmly in place, especially in our print area, right above the front pocket. For more tips and information on screen printing, visit gogsg.com, follow us on social media, and we'll see you next time.